These 5 habits are ruining your life, and you might not even realize it. 1. Procrastination. Putting things off just turns small tasks into last-minute nightmares. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. 2. Negative self-talk. Your brain believes what you tell it, so stop calling yourself stupid or lazy. Would you tolerate someone else talking to you that way? 3. Phone addiction. Checking your phone every 5 minutes destroys your ability to focus. Try this. Put your phone in another room when working. You will get 3 times more done. 4. People-pleasing. Saying yes to everyone means saying no to yourself. Boundaries aren't rude, they're necessary. 5. Skipping sleep. Every hour of lost sleep costs you next day productivity. Protect sleep like your success depends on it, because it does. Ditch these habits and watch your life get easier. Which one's your biggest struggle? Let me know and hit subscribe. We're in this together.